Hi, today I am here to show you how to use the Mouse Genetics One Trait gizmo. You will have printed out in front of you a worksheet packet that includes directions on how to do these things, but I wanted to give you an idea of how the buttons work. So if you start at the very beginning of the lab, you're going to be asked to drag the pure mice over as parent 1 and 2. They will be specific about which mice to use. For purposes right now, I'm going to drag the black and then the white mouse over. And all I did was click on the mouse and I dragged them into the boxes as parent 1 and 2. If you look over here on the right-hand side where it says genotype, you can click on that box. And now if you hover over the black mouse, you'll see that underneath the show genotypes, there appears fur, big F, so that you can see the genotype of the individual mice by just hovering over them. Now we're going to breed the mice. And this is a really easy process. If you click on it once, you get 5. You can click breed over and over again to get different numbers of mice. Once you have bred the number of mice that it asks you to complete, and if you click on statistics, it will show you here, breed, you'll notice the numbers rising. Okay, you are then able to take the offspring that you would like to keep and make the parents by clicking on the offspring and dragging it into what they call the holding cages. You can do that for a couple mice, or you can just take one over. You'll notice that when I hover over the baby mice or the F1 generation, that their fur genotype is big F, little f, which makes sense. If you look back at the Punnett square, you'll see that one parent is little f, and the other mouse is big F, big F. Okay, then once you clear the data, like it will ask you to actually do this in the lab, you can then breed the F1 generation that you've created with each other. Okay, and you just click on breed. You'll notice the numbers rising again. You'll notice that there's a different look to some of the mice. Okay, we've got a combination here of the black and the white mouse. Okay, so this concludes our general tutorial on how to utilize the tool or the gizmo Mouse Genetics One Trait. Thanks for watching.